discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
So, what's your name and what's in here?
My name's Elliot Knight. We've got a pair of DB15 threes on a pair of smart threes, 192 amp hour of headway.
Nice.
So kind of doing everything in pairs.
Okay. There's a lot of cabin work in this, I can tell, with all the Dynamat clearing everything out.
Yeah, I'm just getting started.
Yes, sir. Oh, work in progress then, okay.
Oh, most definitely. Because this box came out of my Veloster, so my tune has shifted up almost 20-something hertz.
Oh, your peak went up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your tuning and peak frequency?
It seems to be peaking right around 42 hertz. I haven't had the chance to meter it or do any peak sweeping.
Yes, sir.
Kind of spur of the moment, getting it done and playing. Granted, it's daily driven, so
yes,
I can't really have it down.
Yeah. Nice. And what is your amps wired to, ohm wise?
They're at 1 ohm.
Okay. That's good. Did you do any kind of, sorry, another question, any kind of box placement testing to know what's louder?
Not really yet. I'm thinking about building a whole new port with sticking with the same box, extend the port about 10 inches.
Okay.
But I've got to get a new false floor in here. But I also may be switching over to a pair of, I believe, ZVX 18s temporarily. So,
yeah. Nice. Is there a way I can see the box for the demo?
Yeah.
Sweet. Nice octoport.
Kind of a mess back there.
It's all right. And this is around like a, what, a 12, 11 and a 9.5, okay. That looks good. So it's peaking in the low 40s, but it's tuned a little lower probably.
Yeah, the original tuning was around 17.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I like the low roads.
Yeah. And are these the 2500? What are the RMS on these subs?
2500, I believe.
2500. Okay.
Yeah, those are old and long since been discontinued.
So these are like the 3-inch coil TV3s?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
But so far they've been great subs. So
Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Looks good. And what size alternator do you have?
I'm still on the factory alternator.
Stock alternator, okay.
Yeah, it's a heck of a wait list on alternators right now.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
adding, priorities.
Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, man. I'm pretty impressed to see how you had this battery bank to support with an alt system that's not able to, I know you're still work in progress on it, and it's able to keep up with the amplifier, so you did good.
It's shooting way over the amp hours I really need to operate.
Yep.
So I have that cushioning versus going with like super cabs.
Yeah.
Because I know just with my history of using headways, I've just had nothing but good luck with it.
Yep.
Not having to do a high voltage charge and still being able to maintain.
That's right. Yeah.
Playtime.
And it does good.
Want to go ahead and get started?
Yeah, I'm ready to hear it.
It still needs plenty of work, but it's
Yes, sir.
it's getting there.
I appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You have a good day. Stay cool, man.
Oh yeah.
I like it, dude. You did a good job. And I'm pretty impressed to see how you had this battery bank to support with an alt system that's not able to, I know you're still work in progress on it, but, and it's able to keep up with the amplifier, so you did good. All right, man. You have a good day. Woo.